Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend, the dancer. Wagwan peeps, to back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today we are going to talk about what the description of that video you see. So Teejay soldiers losing him soldiers. Is it despite them somebody is me, him still try overcome from the devastating loss of his three close friends. Dancehall artist Teejay has vowed to keep pushing towards his dreams in bid to honor the memories of his fallen friend. No lie guys, them person was people with him there on every day, now they're not around, if you get me. So speaking with the star in his first interview since last month's tragic incident, Teejay says he is now more motivated than ever to make it in the industry. So the up top boss friends, Grimmy, Afro and Snow, who he said were some of his biggest supporters, all died as a result of gun violence, which that was in the same video we do. So three of them passed on one spot. Is big tragic incident, and you can check out the next one. So when somebody pass on, we can't do nothing for bring them back, so we have to just move forward. We can't sit down and just respond that for like 2-3 months because my career that I go down the drain. And it's like my friend them would have dead knowing say them did want me good. You see me, so him for stop, you get me? So that are words from Teejay, and it's like them a go when say them a go turn in a them grave. So me have to just continue push forward and understand say this is what life is about. We live to die, we have to dead, but it's what we do while we live in that are gonna make our life different. Me have to set a legacy, work towards it, and make sure me not live in a vain. You see, pray guys. So that's words of Teejay, and we know this from in a song, right? Yeah, so wrong choice, as in Teejay also sought to silence the continued criticism that he made the wrong choice joining the Ramesh Entertainment team. You hear that guys? Teejay told the star that he refused to listen to chatter surrounding label choices, as he is well aware of who will do their best to help him accomplish his musical goals. Ramesh believe in a thing, so I believe in a Ramesh Entertainment. The world tricky, because I remember when we did the Hamobi and we used to pray with my friend. Them say it's like pray with my friend. Them say is a man like Ramesh to have my career in a man. Is it? And it just end up as my father a town. And the dog see my thing and say, yo, you're bad youth. And Ramesh see my talent and me have to respect him for that. So me not listen to when people attack because them never see it. He said, what that does as a when Ramesh see. I don't know what that mean guys. DAS. Is it maybe a does. Does a Ramesh. Whatever that. So anyways, mark out the line there. You see me, I go say the wrong thing, why you never make the push and give me a strength. I can't pay people money, because them no normally believe in you when you can do. Believe in a way you can do until you believe in yourself and actually show them say you can do it. So yeah, that are good words right there. Say, you see me? So Teejay said failure is not an option. You see, pray guys. So did I do this and give up? I'm not do this for give up because them go come grow for be failure too. So I'm not want him son them in another same mindset. So him have to go hard. Basically that's what him that way I say. And I'm sure anybody with any offspring right now he made the best for them youths just to see him or go out there and show them say yo, me be a better role model for your trendsetter. It doesn't matter, is it? But one thing I know for sure, you want the best for your youths them. You see me? And I know any man want the best for themselves. I'm not sure I get a youth, I go forget about myself, but I just want the best out of life. And I see where Teejay I come from, I forward from. You see me, so in other sense there, I just want to bless up on yourself and take on the time, give thanks. You see it, nobody brag and boast and them something called there's a man. You see it, above you see me, them man they can slow down any pace. May I tell you? You see me, so now for know how I do, because more while I want to do them things that reach, You see me, because I'm not going to say, oh, right. But things do happen sometimes, you see me. But Teejay as a person, me I go give it to him because he's a good artist, him do music, and him well deserving of the dancehall industry, is it? It's like alright, things are alkaline do, some people will never get to do that. And things what Teejay do, some people never get to do that. Is it? So bless up on yourself, people. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, share. Is me. The end of the video is bless up on yourself each and every time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share to a friend or a family. Bless up YouTube and